All right, so get this. Building a website in just seconds. Seconds. No code, just AI. We're checking out this new video from Rick Mulready, and he is going all in, calling this WebSim thing even bigger than ChatGPT. So, yeah, we had to dive into this.
Definitely had to see what the hype was all about, right?
Exactly. So is this WebSim thing actually the real deal, though? Like, could we use it?
Good question.
Let's find out. First things first, what is WebSim?
Basically, it uses AI to build websites and apps, and you don't have to code a single thing.
And it's not just using, like, basic AI either. We're talking big leagues, like Sonet 3.5 and Claude.
Oh, wow. Okay, so it's the real deal AI behind this.
Yeah, it's understanding what you want and making design choices on the fly, like having a superpowered web designer in the cloud or something. Okay, that's pretty wild. And Mulready actually shows how it works in the video, and it's crazy simple. Like, you can literally type out what you want or even change the website address to add a new page.
It's pretty mind-blowing.
It's like something out of a movie.
Yeah.
He decides to try building a testimonial website from scratch. Starts with a basic prompt, something like, make a website where people can leave testimonials, written, audio, or video. And bam, WebSim creates it.
And it actually has sections for each type of testimonial, too.
It's wild. But here's the really amazing part. He doesn't just stop there. Mulready's like, okay, now jazz it up. Make it look more modern, more sleek. And the AI does it. Then he throws another curveball and asks for a dark mode version.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Yay.
And WebSim delivers.
See, that's what makes this so different. It's not just mindlessly following instructions. It's like this real-time collaboration between you and the AI.
That's actually huge. And then it gets even more impressive. He starts giving WebSim really specific instructions, like he even gives it his brand's color hex codes. Those number things that specify exact colors?
Yeah.
And it just instantly uses them in the design.
No. What?
Yeah. It's incredible how detail-oriented you can be, even with the AI making the website.
Yeah.
But it gets wilder. Mulready figures out that if he edits the website address itself, he can create entirely new pages.
Wait, what?
Yeah. He'll just add, like, written at the end, and a whole new page dedicated to written testimonials just appears.
Wow. So it's not just choosing between pre-made designs, it's actually building the pages on the spot.
That's what I'm saying. This is next-level stuff. He does the same thing for the audio and video testimonials, too.
Yeah.
Adds a little something to the website address, and WebSim just makes it happen. It's like magic or something.
It really is incredible when you think about it. It's not like just spitting out lines of code. It's actually understanding what you mean and then building it. That's a game changer for sure.
Totally. And get this. This isn't just some online toy. You can actually download the whole website as HTML code once you've got it how you want it.
So this isn't just playing around. These are real websites you could use.
Yeah.
Imagine, like, you're trying to start a small business, but you can't afford a web developer. This could be huge.
It would be like having a web developer on call, like 24/7.
Yeah.
But it's not even just about saving money, right? Think about how good this would be for just trying out new ideas. You could make a bunch of different versions of a web page and see which one works better without having to wait for someone to code it all for you.
Exactly. And Mulready even mentions how helpful this could be for people who are just starting to learn about business.
It's true.
It's not even just about, like, the speed or the cost.
Yeah.
Think about how much more creative people could be.
Oh, yeah?
You could have an idea for a website, and instead of trying to explain it to a developer,
Right.
you could just tell WebSim, and it would just make it for you.
It'd be like those scenes in movies where someone just throws paint at a canvas and it's a masterpiece.
Exactly. And this goes way beyond making, like, a pretty website, too. This could totally change who has access to the internet.
Okay, so this is more than just websites now. It's getting kind of deep.
It is. It's about giving everyone a chance to build something online, connect with people. It levels the playing field,
Mulready said something like, this is going to revolutionize the internet. And I got to admit, it's starting to feel like that.
Yeah. It's not just about making a cool website anymore. It's about, like, who gets to be online at all.
Exactly. Think about, like, communities that don't have great internet, or maybe people in developing countries trying to start businesses. This could be huge for them, giving them a way to get online that they didn't have before.
It's like everyone having their own printing press, but for the internet, right? Like you were saying before.
Exactly.
It's pretty exciting, but also a little bit like, whoa, this is a big deal. It's definitely a brave new world. And it all comes back to AI becoming more accessible to everyone.
So we're going beyond just websites again.
Yeah, it's like what we're seeing with ChatGPT. Stuff that used to be specialized skills, now anyone can do it.
True.
Makes you wonder about, like, the future of work and creativity and all that. Like, what happens when anyone can be a coder? or a designer?
That's the big question, isn't it? If we can do this right now, what's it going to be like in a year, 5 years?
It's pretty mind-blowing, and that kind of leads into what I was hoping you'd be thinking about after this deep dive.
Okay, I'm listening. Lay it on me.
If AI can build these websites this easily now, in 2024, what's the internet going to be like in just a few years? What happens when anyone can build a complex app or some crazy immersive online experience just by, like, describing it?
I mean, that sounds like something out of a sci-fi book, but also it feels like we're already kind of there. So if you're as excited as I am to see where this all goes, and maybe a little terrified, Mulready says check out WebSim now while it's still free.
There's a link in the video description if you want to try it out.
And he's right. Things change so fast with AI. What seems revolutionary now might be old news tomorrow, right?
Definitely.
So yeah, don't just take our word for it. Go experiment with it. See what you can create. Let us know what you think.
Is this the future?
Only one way to find out. Until next time on The Deep Dive, keep exploring.